Hey everyone, welcome back to Money and Beyond with Essie, your go-to place for all things business, money and entrepreneurship. Today we are going to break down what it takes to start a retail shop in Uganda. We will cover the basic costs and give you a clear idea of how much money you need to get started. Whether you want to open a small convenience store or shop or something bigger, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Uganda's retail sector is growing, and starting a retail shop can be a great business opportunity, especially in urban and peri-urban areas. So, what do you need to get started and how much will it cost? Let's break it down step by step. Number one, shop location and rental costs. First, you need a place to set up your shop. Renting a small space will likely be your biggest initial cost. The rent will vary depending on the location, size of the shop, and the area's foot traffic. In Kampala or other major towns, renting a small shop can cost between Uganda shillings 300,000 to 1 million per month. In smaller towns, rent can range from Uganda shillings 150,000 to 500,000. Let's estimate Uganda shillings 400,000 for a decent shop space in urban or semi-urban area. Most landlords ask for at least 3 to 4 months rent upfront, so we'll need around Uganda shillings 1.2 million to 1.6 million for rent. Number two, shop fittings and equipment. Now that you have secured your location, you will need to set up the shop. This includes shelves, counters, display racks, weighing scale, and possibly a fridge or deep freezer if you plan to sell cold drinks or perishables. For a small retail shop, shop fittings and basic equipment will cost between Uganda shillings 1.5 million to 2 million. Let's estimate Uganda shillings 2 million for shop fittings and equipment to get started for a small shop. Number three, we shall talk about initial stock. Next, you need products to sell. Your initial stock will depend on the type of retail shop you want to open. Are you selling groceries, household items, clothes, plastics, utensils, etc., or a mix of everything? For a small general retail shop, you need about 3 million to 5 million to stock up on fast-moving items like food, drinks, toiletries, cleaning supplies, and other everyday essentials. Let's estimate around 4 million Uganda shillings for initial stock to give your shop a variety of products. And I think we shall need business registration and licensing. To run your retail shop legally, you will need to register your business and get the necessary permits. Registering a small retail business in Uganda typically costs around 300,000 to 700,000, which includes your trading license, tax registration, and other small taxes. Let's budget around 400,000 for business registration and licensing. Number five, we shall need working capital and operating expenses. It's also important to have working capital to cover your day-to-day operations. You need money for utilities like electricity, water, salaries for any employees you might have, and restocking your products as needed. A good estimate for working capital is around 1 million to 3 million. Let's allocate around 2 million for your initial working capital. And I think you can add and see how much you need to start your retail shop. And you can do, in case you want a bigger one, you can increase on the numbers. If you want a smaller one, you can reduce on the numbers. It depends. And there you have it. You can start a retail shop in Uganda with about 7 million and below or above, depending on your location and the type of shop you want to open. Of course, this is just an estimate and your costs may vary slightly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and more business ideas and tips. If you have any question or if you're already running a retail shop, drop a comment below and let us know about your experience. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.